When it comes to improving the look and feel of your home, the windows you choose can make all the difference. Not only do they serve a functional purpose, but they also play a key role in your home's interior design. Among the many window styles available, bay windows stand out as a unique and striking feature that can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your Dallas home. Whether you're building a new house or renovating an existing space, adding bay windows can transform your interior, bringing in more natural light, creating a sense of spaciousness, and offering a beautiful view of the outdoors. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows can elevate your Dallas home's interior design and provide numerous benefits that go beyond just visual appeal. Maximizing natural light. One of the most significant advantages of bay windows is their ability to bring more natural light into your home. Unlike traditional flat windows, bay windows project outward, allowing sunlight to enter from multiple angles. This creates a bright, airy atmosphere that can make your home feel more open and inviting. In Dallas, where the weather is often sunny, maximizing natural light is a great way to brighten up rooms while reducing the need for artificial lighting. The more sunlight you let into your home, the more you can create a warm, welcoming space. Whether installed in a living room, dining room, or kitchen, bay windows fill the room with light, making it feel larger and more open. Creating a focal point in your home. Bay windows have a distinctive design that can become a focal point in any room. Their protruding shape and unique angles draw the eye and create visual interest, especially in spaces that would otherwise be more traditional or plain. This feature makes them perfect for areas like living rooms and dining rooms, where you want to highlight a central feature of the space. You can enhance the focal point of your bay window by incorporating seating, such as a window seat or bench under the window. This not only adds comfort but also creates a cozy nook perfect for reading, relaxing, or enjoying the view. By positioning your furniture around the window, you can create a comfortable and attractive space that feels inviting and functional. Expanding space and creating the illusion of openness. In homes with smaller rooms, bay windows are an excellent way to create the illusion of more space. The outward projection of the window expands the interior visually, making the room feel larger and more open. This is particularly beneficial in apartments or smaller homes in Dallas, where space may be limited, and maximizing every square foot is important. Additionally, bay windows add a sense of architectural depth to a room, breaking up flat walls and adding layers to your interior design. This expanded space can also be used for additional seating or display areas, creating a more functional living space. Whether in the living room, dining room, or master bedroom, bay windows open up the room, making it feel more spacious and comfortable. Enhancing the view of the outdoors. Another key benefit of bay windows is their ability to frame beautiful views of the outdoors. The wide, multi-pane design offers an expansive view, making it an ideal window option for rooms that overlook gardens, patios, or scenic landscapes. In Dallas, where the views can include everything from lush greenery to cityscapes, bay windows allow you to enjoy the beauty of your surroundings from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking out onto a peaceful garden, a bustling city street, or the natural beauty of the Dallas area, bay windows bring the outdoors inside. The larger glass panes and wide opening give you the best view possible, creating a seamless connection between your home's interior and the world outside. Adding a touch of elegance and sophistication, bay windows have an inherent elegance that can elevate the interior design of your Dallas home. Whether you choose a traditional wooden frame or a modern style, bay windows bring a sense of sophistication to any room. Their distinctive design and multi-pane structure add texture and style that flat windows simply cannot replicate. Incorporating bay windows into your home's design can make even the simplest rooms look more luxurious and refined. Their timeless appeal ensures that they never go out of style, and they remain a sought-after feature for homeowners looking to add a touch of class to their space. Whether you are remodeling your living room or designing a sunroom, bay windows add a touch of grandeur and timeless beauty. Improving ventilation. Besides enhancing the visual appeal of your home, bay windows can also improve the ventilation in your living space. Many bay windows are designed with operable side panels that can be opened to allow fresh air to flow into the room. This is particularly beneficial in Dallas, where the weather is warm, and good air circulation is essential to keeping the home comfortable. By opening the windows, you create natural airflow, helping to cool down the room and reduce reliance on air conditioning. Bay windows thus contribute not only to your home's aesthetics but also to its comfort and ventilation, making them a functional addition to any room. Increased property value. Lastly, installing bay windows can increase the value of your Dallas home. As a highly desirable feature, bay windows enhance your home's appeal to potential buyers. They not only add to the overall aesthetic of your home but also offer the benefits of more natural light, better views, and increased living space. If you're planning to sell your home, bay windows can make a significant difference in attracting buyers and potentially increasing the resale value of your property. Their timeless charm and practicality make them a feature that adds long-term value to your home. Conclusion: bay windows, a stylish, practical upgrade for your Dallas home. Whether you're looking to improve natural light, enhance interior design, or maximize space, bay windows offer a wide range of benefits for your Dallas home. From creating a focal point in your living space to improving the view and ventilation, bay windows add a distinctive charm and functionality to any room. They bring elegance and sophistication to your home while offering practical benefits like improved airflow and increased property value. By choosing bay windows, you'll create a brighter, more open, and inviting home that you and your family can enjoy for years to come.